Hello, pizza lovers. My name is Peter Peppa.
And I'm Tony Roney.
And you're watching It's a
Pizza!
Jonny the pizza maker took Crusty the cameraman behind the scenes into the kitchen to get a magic special look at how they make their famous 27-inch pizza pie.
Each dough weighs about 36.5 ounces. Yeah, this is the part that everybody loves. We use 1.5 ladles, and this is 12 ounces, and about 2.5 pounds of cheese. It's one of the best smells, is smelling fresh pizza actually straight out of the oven. It's crazy.
Thank you so much for watching this special slice of our It's a Pizza show.
And do stay tuned for further specials in the future.
You can never eat too much pizza.